guys, so it's me again today, and so my dog is mad about a pillow for some reason.
Funny.
Yeah, it's hilarious, and so I'm gonna show you. And I'm gonna be, I can't do like front camera or anything, so I'm gonna be.
Aww, so cute.
Let's try to see if I can get the doggy. No, that's my wall. Yeah, do I have the dog?
No,
I have the dog now.
I guess.
There's the dog. So I might be in front of the dog. You can't move your head so I can see the dog. There's the dog. The dog. I can't get this perfect thing. Get out of here. Crazy. So the dog's somewhere, like right there. I might want to back up.
Got you. Got you.
So here's the weird stuff. Do I got the dog? Keaton, do I got the dog on camera?
Yeah. Keep holding it there.
Here's the doggy. It's doggy cam!
It's okay, Paco. It's okay. It's fake.
It's fake. Paco, it's fake.
Hey.
This video might be called Dog Thinks the Pillow Was Real. Ah! Sorry guys, my tablet fell. I'm upside down. Oh, it can turn upside down. Do I got the dog on screen? Or you on screen with the dog? Keaton, do I got y'all on screen? Keaton, do I got y'all on screen?
Yeah.
Paco's just looking at the camera like,
Okay, ready? Ready for the funniness? It's a camera on Paco. Okay, right?
is it on Paco? Keaton, is it still on Paco?
Yeah.
Here, look if it's on Paco. It's going to be in high screen. It's on Paco. Oh, I gotta get up here. Oh. What's going on? Ah! Almost fell. Oh, the doggy down there. Doggy dee, doggy do.
I got you, Paco. I got your adorableness. I got your adorableness.
Do we got Paco on tape?
Yeah. I think. No.
What did I get on tape?
Well, you got Paco.
Okay. That's the end of the video, right? This dog fight is getting really intense. So,
Dog fight.
bye. Hey, Keaton.
Dog fight.
Say bye for Paco and say bye for
Wait,
yourself.
Me versus Paco.
For the next video. Say bye.
For this video.
Say bye. Oh my gosh.
No, me versus Paco right now.
No, is it on you? Say bye. Bye. That was Keaton. Bye.